Welcome back, friends. The first title of my talk is going to be the statistics of smoking and smoking hazards in India. All of us know that smoking is a very common practice in India, and unfortunately all of us also know that there are variety of smokeless tobacco users in India. In fact, if I have to give you statistics, you will be surprised that 10% of our population, which means approximately 130 million of Indian population, is found to be smoking. And you will also be surprised to know that equal numbers, probably little more than that, about 140 million are non-smoking tobacco users. If you add this, you are looking at a whopping figure of 270 to 280 million people using tobacco in various forms. This does pose a lot of health problem, a huge burden on the health budgets of our country, because you will also be astonished to know that 10% of all deaths, whether because of accidents, because of infectious diseases, because of non-communicable diseases, because of variety of other problems like cancer or vascular diseases, the total number of deaths attributable to tobacco alone are almost 10%. Which means one individual out of 10, एक individual 10 में से स्मोकिंग रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम से मर रहा है। और इसकी वजह क्या है? Variety of vascular problems like stroke, like peripheral vascular disease, like gangrenes, like heart attacks. Now, एक सर्वे किया गया था approximately 2014 में, जिसमें adult tobacco users जितने भी है, उस स्टडी को GATS स्टडी कहा जाता है. It was found that there are approximately 270 million users of tobacco in our country. And in fact, what is very sad to know that tobacco is our biggest health hazard in the country. अगर statistics के तौर पे देखा जाए तो let me tell you that there are 9,30,000 people dying every year because of smoking hazards. And almost half of these die because of the hazards of smokeless tobacco. और एक बात मैं कहना चाहता हूं आप लोगों से, which is more astonishing, worrisome, और सब लोगों ने इस पे बहुत गौर करना चाहिए कि हमारे देश में smokeless tobacco, which is पान, गुटखा, tobacco, chewing in various forms, etc., etc., is seen commonly between the ages of 13 years and 19 years. According to one survey, it was found that 40% of our population falls in this age group. And therefore, this age group being the most productive for the nation, and subsequently if this population is going to land with a lot of health hazards, I think all of us must today pledge that we will give up smoking and we will give up tobacco in any form. There are few more statistical details which I should be talking to you. Like for example, despite all these known hazards, why do we continue to smoke and sell tobacco? The reason being, government probably earns some kind of revenue on this in the direct format or in the indirect taxes format. Now, if you look at the health hazards, if you look at how much it actually costs the nation to take care of the health hazards which crop up because of these problems of smoking and smokeless tobacco, the equation in fact tilts in favor of the fact that we should completely ban tobacco in any format. In my next video, I am going to be talking to you on more personal basis, which means I am going to talk to you about what are the health hazards and what are the systems of our body which get affected by tobacco and smoking. Thank you.